Hi guys, today I have another super delicious, easy to make homemade granola recipe for you. And today's recipe is for a chocolate granola, and I must say this one is so delicious. It's so crunchy and I'm in love. I think this might be my new favorite. So let's get started with the recipe. As I said, this is a really easy to make recipe. I always make my granola myself because it's super simple to make. I can make it a little different every time and I can decide what goes into my granola. So I really hope you're gonna like this chocolate version, and if you want some more inspiration, then I'm gonna link for you some other videos that I have for homemade granolas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.